Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to unhide a Google Sheets tab or multiple Google Sheets tabs. Right, so as you can see we have this nice project management sheet with this project management table, and we have hidden some Google Sheets tabs. So how you can show hidden tabs or unhide hidden tabs in your Google Sheets. You have two options. The first one is to click on the view button, and as you can see you will see that there are 4 hidden sheets here. And if you want to unhide or show a hidden sheet, just select show sheet 9 here, and as you can see now it's visible down there. The other option is to click on the 3 lines here, and you will see that the hidden sheets are grayed out. As you can see, they don't have this black font but a gray font. So as you can see, copy of project management is also hidden, and now if you click on that, Google Sheets will automatically unhide that Google Sheets tab. Of course you can right click on it and hide it again if you don't want to see copy of project management again. So in all, this is how you can show or unhide hidden Google Sheets tabs in Google Sheets. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up. So also make sure to subscribe.